Hi there, Scott with Reviews here to review the Govee Immersion LED backlighting. We go ahead and unbox it, we install it and show you how that process works, and then we show you the after effects of what it looks like and all the things you can do with it. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box up and see what we have in here. I saw this on Amazon. I thought it looked pretty neat. They had some really good reviews. The LED light strips are going to be in this little bag here. Got a user manual. Got some installation instructions. This is the unit itself that goes kind of in the middle of the back of your TV. You stick it on there, and then we have a few other things. We've got the power brick, and then these guys go kind of in the corners for like cable management type of thing. So on this kit, this is how the kit works. You put this camera either on the bottom of your TV or at the top of your TV, and the little camera here is what picks up all the colors on your screen. So that's what's in the box. So let's go ahead and get it installed. Okay guys, so this is the TV we're going to be installing the Govee Immersion lights on. This is my 70-inch Samsung, and I know this kit says 55 to 65, but the next one up was like another like $40 or something like that, and that one started at 75, I believe. So I'm kind of like in between the two kits. I'm assuming this thing's gonna be okay, but the first thing we gotta do is basically I'm gonna pull out the TV. I'm not gonna flip it, it's too much work. So I'll probably just pull out the TV stand here and then use the little alcohol prep pads to clean off the back of the screen. And then we'll go ahead and mount the LED strip, download the app, put the camera on. So there's a little bit of a process here, there's calibration, but anyway, so we'll go ahead and do that now with a little time lapse. Let's go. Okay, so we just went ahead and cleaned up the back of the TV with the alcohol pads. So now I have the actual strip light itself. I believe basically what it's telling me to do is start in this bottom right-hand corner down here, go up, come around, come down, and then come all the way kind of back to this right-hand corner here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna kind of go strip by strip. So there's actually like corners. If you see that there's the lights and then there's the corners. So there's plenty of room in the corners. So I'm hoping that you know, all this will work properly with my 70-inch. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so really on my 70-inch screen, I mean, it barely fits. So we'll see, you know, how good it is. I mean, certainly there's no light in the corners of the screen, so I don't know how that's gonna kind of affect how it looks. But we'll go ahead and, like I said, we'll go ahead and test it to see if this kit is gonna work for my TV or not. So that it's all installed. Again, super easy, just 3M tape on both sides. But I mean, there's a pretty good chunk of corner here that doesn't have a light, so I don't know how it's gonna look. The little control unit here, that's gonna go somewhere right in the center of the TV, and then we'll put the power strip in, and then we'll just stick the camera right on top, and we should be good. Power unit itself is installed right here. There's a couple different buttons on it, but as you can see, it works. Just this little. You can change the color just kind of manually, but there is an app on your phone which I'll be downloading. But as you can see, this is the sound mode, so I'm talking and it's reacting. That's one of the modes. There's a whole bunch of different modes on here that I haven't messed with yet, but okay, so next what we're gonna do is go ahead and put the camera. It's basically just saying to put the camera, and the lights are reacting, you can see it in the back, but basically right in the center of the screen. So I'm gonna have to measure this. I don't want to just kind of guess. I'm gonna have to measure where I should actually be putting this thing, so that we have the absolute most accurate position possible. So I'm gonna measure it where the center is, and then I'll go ahead and stick it on. Okay, so as you can see, we just mounted the camera right in the center. Again, it's just using the 3M tape, the sticky pads. I just wanted to take you through the kind of the installation back here. So as you can see, this is a 70-inch screen, and I mean, this wire, there's not much in this corner. Same with this corner, there's really no lights in the corner. It's kind of just in the center of the screen, but it is along the bottom, as you can see. And again, I'm talking, so but see, there's a pretty big dead space here, even up here. And I mean, you can change colors, blah, blah, blah. But so that's the back of the screen. So we'll go ahead and put the put this up against the wall again, and then we'll go into the app and actually do the programming for movie mode and the calibration of the system itself. Okay, so it just asked me to, I installed the app on my phone, I connected the Wi-Fi, and then it asked me just to put the little sticker things. So here are the little stickers. Don't stick them on too hard because obviously you got to take them off. You don't want adhesive on there. But anyway, so I got to continue with the process here, to calibrate, and then I'll come back with you. All right, so here are the final results. You can see the lights. This is a music mode because it's reacting to the audio that's playing, which is pretty cool. As you can see, the colors are very accurate in terms of the color on the screen versus what it's actually beating. But anyway, what do you guys think? Is it worth it for about 90 bucks? I think it is. It's pretty cool. Certainly it adds a little pizzazz to music videos, video games, movies, all that good stuff. But anyway, this has been Scott with DreamView. Thank you so much for watching.